Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you on how you can create a hollow text effect in Canva. One example is this one. So basically, the solid part of the text is gone, but the border remains intact. And this is particularly useful if you want to show the text, but you also want to showcase what's behind the text, like some decorative elements. In this example, there is the picture of a flower, and the flower is visible even though it is being overlapped by this text in the middle. So here's how you can get that in Canva. I'm going to move on to the second page, which is exactly the same design, but just a different text style. What you need to do is you have to click on the text box. You can also select multiple text boxes by pressing and holding the shift key on the keyboard, and then you can click on every single text box that you want to select. But in this video, I'm going to just select one text box, and after that, on the top menu right here, you want to visit effects and enable hollow, and there you go. By default, the thickness level of the border of the text is 50%. You can make it very thin or very thick if you want. And this is actually not only the hollow effect that you could get in Canva. There is also another style that is very similar called splice. So it's very similar because the solid part, the inner part of the text is basically gone. What's left behind is kind of the shadow of the text. You can again adjust the thickness of the border. You can also adjust the offset, like the position of the offset and also the direction of the offset. This is actually very similar to the old comic book printing. Usually they do have this artifact where the color is kind of bleeding outward of the edges of the comic character, for example. So if you want to achieve that design, you want to use this splice effect. But in any case, I hope you find this video helpful, and I will see you on the next video.